There he is, Tornado, the international champion. Oh, there's Dick Rose.
Rose, what are you doing?
Ring the bell. That's what he's doing.
Ring the bell, ring the bell.
This is a 2 out of 3 falls match, ladies and gentlemen.
Why did the ref get hit and not sell it?
I never got hit.
He did. Yeah. He got hit by an elbow. In the chair. I didn't see the chair, I see the elbow. But
it is what it is.
We have a ref at Superman.
Very nice.
Says the guy who jumped him from behind.
On cover. Kick at a 2. Tornado trying to steal one from Jake Rose.
That close, bro. That close.
He wouldn't have let Johnny Sinai get that. Johnny Sinai would have pinned him.
Oh!
So he just went through
Big suplex. Big snap suplex there in a cover. And a kick out right at 2. Looks like he's setting up for something. Looks like he's setting up for that spear. And he hits it! There's a cover! 2! I want to kick out of 2 once more. Tornado in trouble here. I don't know.
I like it.
Cool.
Yeah.
1, 2. 2.
That was 3. That was 3. That was 3.
Yeah, boy, what you got, huh? You're the man, huh? Yeah.
Vicious knees.
1, 2.
Oh. Kick out 2.5, 2 3/4 maybe. Jake Rose going for that chair again.
My chairs.
My balls.
I wish there's not gonna have chairs to sit on.
This is bullshit.
What?
This is bullshit. Yeah, that's true. More vicious shots at those chairs. Working on the back of the big man. With those stomps. Oh, low blow.
Right in the pecker.
Right in the little tummy there. Oh, cat shot's going on today.
1, 2, 3. Ring the bell.
And the first fall goes to Mr. Jake Rose. Now all he needs to do is win one more, and he is the international title holder, international champion. Bella's been rung a second time for the second match. Oh, big basement drop kick. Right to the side of the head. Trying to go for another one. If he does, this is win. Oh, and a kick out of 2.
I thought there were stipulations for each one of the falls.
I don't know. They don't tell me anything around here. I'm just the camera guy, you know what I mean?
No, you're just Matt Stone.
I am Matt Stone. I am the
Bitch
must
mouth
see.
of the Colonel.
No. It's the must see, Matt Stone.
The bitch mouth of the Colonel.
No, it's not.
That's why Matt Stone's got to do his bidding.
Yeah, can you not?
We didn't have any spackles, so we had to fill it.
One mud.
Still not doing it. Can you fucking quit? Oh no. Jackhammer. Ah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thought we were going to see a jackhammer.
I thought so too.
1, 2.
So close. So close to becoming international champion, but again, as Johnny Sunday Night said, no cigar.
I want a cigar now. Subliminal advertisements.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Leaf Cigar in Hobart, Indiana.
Not sponsored.
Cheap plug.
That's where I get all my cigars.
Indeed.
I see your fridge.
A license plate.
That's the back half of us.
Ooh. Break it. Oh, hi. That's a good movie. Round 2.
Fight.
Ooh. Matt Stone. Camera is drifting away.
F5? Maybe? No?
You taking this? What the hell?
Uh-oh, sound of sirens. Looks like we're going for a tornado run. Maybe not. Oh, right to the ring post. Jake Rose down now.
Come on, buddy, let's take a run. Tornado warning, baby!
Ooh. Do it right. Do it right.
And a cover.
1, 2, 3.
And there it is. Tornado winning the second fall. This is it. Whoever wins this match becomes the international title holder. The international champion, if you will. Vicious elbows to the gut, trying to get out of it. Oh, and a low blow. Taking down the big man.
Instead of wrestle set.
Monster ball match.
Now we know what they mean by monster ball.
Monster shots to the pee-pee.
I took one.
Jake going down in the back of the ring with that steel chair. That steel chair he's utilized so much during this match.
Past few matches.
Last few matches, you were
Don't
correct.
even know how that chair's still standing.
All right.
It's got legs, sir.
Okay, smart ass in the crowd.
little stiff. No, not this. He's on the chair.
What was it?
The duty finish.
And then inverted boot.
1, 2,
Oh.
12.
63.
69.
What? Can I help you? There it is, the tornado warning. This has got to be it. Oh! And a kick out of 2. Jake Rowe's still alive.
tornado. It's 2. That close. 2.
I want to see a road killer.
Fine.
Rowe's fighting back. Oh, big poop.
Fuck you. You ain't stealing my boot.
Rose killer? Now I want to see it.
Come on.
How about you, mysterious guy over there?
Serious side.
Fucking Sons of Anarchy wannabe.
Everybody's looking for it again. Sound the sirens. Oh, maybe not. He gets out of it. Oh, and another low blow.
You get a big man down, you might have to. God, there's been more dick hitting than Vegeta. Enjoy the climb back up. Back. Ooh. Very nice.
It's got to be over. There's the cover. Oh, and a kick out of 2.5.
2. I got Rose. Can you continue, tornado? You good?
Pin him.
Dog. Just getting started.
You can use it. You're welcome.
Is balls in there?
No, they're up in his fucking chest.
Don't be a pussy. Hit him.
Whose boat was that? I took it anyway. Come on. Yeah.
My bug balls Ladies and gentlemen, Colonel Phoenix is still in the building.
Yes.
He never left.
He did not.
He got drunk.
He lives here.
He got drunk.
He did. Look, he's a box head.
Box it.
Yeah, he's boxed. You're stealing Colonel Phoenix's joke.
So.
Can't take your own jokes. Fucking just threw him back. Stomped to the chest, to the back of the head.
Turn your ass around.
Oh no. Baseball slide.
Yay!
Oh.
There's been as much as dick hitting on
1,
Vegeta.
2, 2.
This is like the episode of Metal Killer. Why did every single one of them have to kick me in the face?
I don't know. Sound the sirens. Maybe not. He gets out of it. Oh! DDT right onto the belt.
It might be over. Pin him. It might be over.
Oh, I think Jake Gore's got one more trick up his sleeve. And he does go in here with that belt. Oh!
Nick.
It's rain out here.
Wait, I gotta put these in.
Is it raining?
How can you
Oh,
tell
no.
you're into something stupid?
Jake Rose setting up for that spear. That Gore. He hits it, it's all over. There it is!
That was a, I believe he calls it Rose Killer, yes? Rose Killer, yeah.
Looks like he's looking for it one more time. This match should have been over a long time ago, folks. And he hits it again! That's it.
1, 2, 3.
And there you have it, folks. The new international champion, Jake Rose.
Here's our winner and new international champion, Jake Rose.
There you have it, folks.
Yes, sir.
New international champion, Jake Rose. We'll be right back after these short messages.